Introducing the CHiQ 380L hybrid fridge freezer, your ideal solution for fresh or frozen storage. The 3.5-star rating for freezer mode and the 5-star rating for fridge mode, this fridge freezer hybrid also features an elegant and stylish black steel design. Now, whilst the hinge is on the left side, it features a reversible door design. So you can easily change the door opening direction to suit your home space and needs. The electronic temperature control with LED display on the door allows you to easily select the temperature you want for your items. It takes just 3 seconds to unlock the panel, letting you choose temperatures from 2 degrees to 8 degrees Celsius for fridge mode and -16 to -24 degrees for the freezer mode. So, when you open the door, you'll see bright LED lights illuminating the entire 380-litre super large zone, making it clear and easy to see all of your items. Plus, you've got a door open alarm to remind you if you forget to close the door. Here, you've got 2 glass shelves on the top and 5 big capacity drawers, reducing odour transfer and maintaining freshness. Each of these drawers is supported by a glass shelf underneath. So, if you need more space, just remove the drawers for flexible storage adjustments. CHiQ Hybrid Fridge Freezer CSH379NBSL3 is your smart choice for big family needs. Improve your life with CHiQ.